Salut tout le monde. Hello everybody. Je vais parler en anglais. I'm going to speak English because I have many friends who can watch this. So I'm going to make pala pizza. It's the dough for the pala pizza, so it's very soft. It's 80% hydration, sorry. And so you see it's very soft. So I'm going to make a small one to fit in this like custom oven. So now the temperature, we can check it. It's around the stone is more than 400, and the top, well, 700. Okay, it's okay. I mean, okay. So we're going to make like pala pizza. Okay, just a regular margherita. I made one before, but it was a test, so I need to make another one. Okay, so I hope I'm not going to screw it up. Alors. Okay. Tomato sauce, of course, for the margherita. But this is just crushed tomatoes. Very simple. Okay. Basil from my balcony. Hop. Là, comme ça. Mozzarella. Italian mozzarella, fior di latte. Okay, that's okay. And a little bit of olive oil. Okay, so now the tricky part, the peel. Okay, so actually pala pizza, it's a very long peel and to put in a very long oven. But obviously I don't have the space here. So we are going to make it like a regular pizza, okay? A square, it's okay. Put it in the oven. Stretch a little bit in the oven. Okay. And now we can watch it. Yep. Oh, it's magic. Ça gonfle, c'est magnifique. Check the bottom. Okay, not done yet. Okay, so we have to check the bottom. So it shouldn't be burned, so this is okay. I don't know if you can see on the video. This is good. But then we have to turn it. This is still okay. This is a bit too much. If it's too much, I can put the peel under, so it doesn't touch the stone. Ah, there's a hole. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to keep it like this because there's a hole. So maybe there was a thin part, and I can dome it a little bit. In the middle there is this hole, so it can be a little problem, but we're going to fix it. Okay, that's enough. Here's the pizza. Neapolitan oven, well, Neapolitan style, pala style pizza. Thank you!